What is happening, everybody out there? This is Jakejames Lugo, senior editor here at thecoalition.com, and I'm back again with a brand new unboxing and impressions video for you guys here on the channel. We're going to be taking a look at the myCharge portable power outlet. Now, this is something interesting. It's like a charging hub for multiple devices. Again, if you're traveling a lot, if you're going to be bringing a lot of big devices like your laptop, your tablet, maybe your phone as well, or probably you got like a games case or maybe some other portable device that uses a battery, we're going to be able to use this in order to play your games or just do whatever it is that you want, or make sure that your devices are charged. So we're going to unbox this bad boy here, just showing you guys a little bit of the package here. So big shout outs to myCharge, because they got in contact with me not too long ago and were able to send this over to me to do this unboxing video for all of you. So let's get right to it. Let's get this bad boy out of the package. Okay, let me know what's up in the comments section if you guys have been enjoying all the different unboxing videos we've been posting up on the channel. We're trying to keep a good variety of different stuff, different tech, gaming, or somewhat related to gaming type of stuff. But anyway, here we go. Let's see if we can open this thing up. I believe, does this thing come off, or I'm trying to find the best way to open it. Okay, does this come out like right here? Again, it's always a little difficult figuring out the packaging for these types of things, because they have like little things on the top there to that keep it sealed. Okay, no, there we go. It's just that little flap there, or to open it. It's like gotta use like your nail to kind of get this thing open, and it's like that hard plastic that it's a little bit difficult. It makes sure that your tech is securely was it transported over to your doorstep without getting messed up on top of everything else. There we go. Gonna pull this bad boy out. I could already feel the weight of this thing. So let me move that to the side. Is there anything else inside of here? Okay, and instruction stuff. So anyway, that's the package. We're gonna put that right there to stay on brand. But here's the instructions on the myCharge. It talks a little bit here in the instructions about the different levels or little indicators of how it's charged. I believe this comes pre-charged already. I gotta double check this just real quickly. Scan through it here. If no devices are being charged, portable outlet will automatically power off in 60 seconds. Okay, yeah, cool. So I believe, because I think it says on the packaging. I remember reading it at some point to come pre-charged. Looking all through it just to double check, so maybe I could turn it on and actually show you guys. Okay, yeah, it says it's pre-charged. There it is on the bottom of the package. There, you guys can't read it because of the focus, but it says it's pre-charged. So anyway, putting that back there. But here's the unit. Okay, this is the portable charger. Now it's in the plastic currently. Right now, we're gonna pull this off, move this to the side, and there we go. So there's the unit itself. This seems pretty ideal, again, for travel. If you're going to the airport, you're going, on a long train ride or a long bus ride, or even in your car or something, and you want to bring this for maybe like your other family members or whatnot. So to be able to play certain devices or charge it, there goes the little section there for the outlet you can plug stuff into. As well as also, I believe on the side here, is this it right here? Okay, no, that's a regular, that's a different type of outlet. There, I don't know if you can really see that, in case you have any sort of like input right there. I know this also has USB input right here. I believe it's on the side. Okay, there you go. There's the different USB inputs on the side there. It's really nice as far as the little flaps that kind of cover everything up, so obviously dust doesn't get in there, and any other like bad debris and stuff to mess it up. So there you go. That's the device itself, and then it also comes obviously with a with a little wall charger, wall connector, so that way you can keep it charged. Now, according to this thing here, okay, it has about a total, I want to say, of about, does it say in the inside here? Does it say it on the inside? No, it doesn't say it on the actual instruction. It only has the different percentages listed of the charge when it has the indicator on there, like the total amount of time that things can be charged up for, or at least how much charge it provides. I want to say, if it says it here on the package. Oh, okay, it's still got stats here, but it's got a 20 volt power supply for the input, and then the battery's like 20,000 mAh. Again, not really stuff that the common person is going to know, including myself. But it's got different stats on the packaging for different devices, how long they could charge for, including like a portable TV, a tablet, a cell phone, any sort of like other like gaming devices, a fan, maybe an electric burner different stuff like that, again, as you guys could see over there. But for general purposes, though, for our purposes, we're going to turn this bad boy on. Okay, see if it actually goes on. There you go. You can see it turns on now with the light. It's got a full charge there. It's got a USB on. It's got the outlet off, obviously. It doesn't really say anything much else here. But for example, since we're going to do this here, I'm actually going to do this all in real time. I'm going to bring out specifically my tablet, which my tablet, as you guys can see here, you got the little Kingdom Hearts thing, little notifications. I'm not going to show you guys, but needs a little bit of charge. So we're going to put this, okay, on the side here. Okay, hopefully not really showing anything on my tablet at the current moment because I got a lot of important stuff there. We're going to plug it in to the side here. Open this bad boy up. I believe it's this side, right? Okay, yeah, it's this side. No, it is this side. Okay, there we go. Plug it here on the side here. Oh, whoops, let me do it the other way. Or no, is it the flap just to go around? Okay, no, there we go. I wanted to make sure that it was snug there. Plug that in with my tablet. Get the little firewire connector. Plug that in there. I gotta make sure that it's on because after 60 seconds it turns off. But there you go. There we go. I turned that on. So this should be. There we go. And then it's charging now currently. So there we go. It's currently charging. It seems to be working well now. I'm probably going to let this sit there because obviously my tablet needs to charge up and needs some power. But definitely, this does work. This does seem pretty ideal. And because of the size of it, again, first impressions, offhand, I believe that this would be very helpful for anybody that travels. Again, you can put this in your backpack. You could probably put this in your suitcase, your duffel bag, or anything that you're going to, travel with, especially if it's like one of your carry-ons. Do I recommend putting this in a purse? Obviously not because of the weight of it. Again, as it's charging, it does. The other cool thing is I can move this around like that and it's not going to mess up the charging of my device. But because of the weight of it, again, it's not too heavy, but it's heavy enough to like feel some weight. So like if you chuck it at somebody, you're obviously going to hurt them. But because of that particular weight, I wouldn't recommend putting this in like a purse if you have ladies traveling on a flight or something. Maybe that's not the best course of action, but if it's going in a backpack and you just want it as a backup for like a long flight, maybe a 4 to 6 hour flight, this is going to definitely do some wonders for you. Or again, if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you need some devices with you, if you're like camping or whatever, this will be pretty ideal. So there you go. That is the myCharge portable power outlet for you guys. Let me know what's up in the comment section below. Make sure that you guys leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the Koalition's YouTube channel for all our videos related to gaming. Unboxing videos that we have here and our podcast shows and a whole bunch of other content that we got available that you guys are definitely going to enjoy. So we got a few more surprises in the works. I'm working on some big stuff, especially for the unboxing and impression series. Hopefully it happens within the next week or so and we'll be able to show all of you. With that being said, I will talk to all of you guys again very soon. Peace out and stay epic, everybody.